For years, people thought AI would replace factory workers first. Robots in warehouses, self-driving trucks, machines doing physical labor. But that's not where AI is attacking first. It's coming for office jobs. The jobs people thought were safe. And the scary part is, most people still don't realize it. Imagine spending years learning a skill. Writing, designing, coding, marketing, customer support, data entry. Then one day, a company realizes, why hire 5 people when one person with AI can do the same work? That is not science fiction anymore. That is already starting, and it could change the middle class forever. For decades, the middle class dream was simple. Study hard, get skills, find a stable office job, build a safe life. Parents told their children, don't worry, get educated, you'll be safe. And for a long time, that was true. Because knowledge workers had one major advantage. They used their brains. But now AI is learning to do brain work. Not perfectly, not completely, but good enough to make companies ask a dangerous question. How many workers do we really need? Companies don't see AI emotionally. They don't see dreams. They don't see careers. They don't see families. They see costs. A worker needs salary. A worker needs training. A worker gets tired. A worker makes mistakes. A worker leaves. AI does not ask for vacation. AI does not need sleep. AI does not complain. And when business owners see that, they start experimenting. First, one task gets automated. Then one department becomes smaller. Then hiring slows down. Then beginner roles disappear. And suddenly, people realize the job market has changed. But only after it already happened. Wait, how does anyone even start a career now? The real danger is not that AI will replace everyone tomorrow. That's not how it works. The real danger is slower. It starts with beginner jobs. Because beginners usually do the simple tasks. Writing first drafts, replying to customers, making basic designs, organizing data, editing small pieces of content, researching information. But these are exactly the tasks AI is getting good at. So here's the scary question. If AI does beginner work, how do beginners become experts? Because every expert was once a beginner. If companies stop hiring beginners today, where do tomorrow's professionals come from? That is the part almost nobody is talking about. But AI is not only a threat, it is also creating a new type of winner. The one-person business. A single person can now do things that once needed a team. They can write with AI, design with AI, edit with AI, automate emails, build websites, create ads, handle customers, launch products. One person with the right tools can now move like a small company. This isn't just a theory anymore. Across the world, small teams are producing work that once required entire departments. AI tools can now help with writing, design, customer support, coding, research, marketing, and content production. The result is simple. Smaller companies can suddenly compete with much larger ones. That sounds exciting, but it also means something uncomfortable. When technology makes individuals more productive, companies often need fewer people to produce the same result. That's happened before in manufacturing, and many experts believe AI could bring similar changes to knowledge work. The future may not need as many average workers. It may reward people who know how to use AI and punish people who ignore it. This is why so many people feel anxious right now. They may not understand AI deeply, but they feel something changing. Jobs feel less secure. Skills feel outdated faster. Young people feel confused. Workers feel replaceable. And the internet keeps telling everyone, just learn AI. But what does that even mean? Most people don't need more motivation. They need a new survival map. Because the old advice was, get a degree. The new advice might be, learn how to work with machines before machines work without you. The middle class was built on stable jobs, but AI is attacking stability itself. Not with robots breaking doors, not with dramatic movie scenes, but quietly. Inside emails, inside dashboards, inside customer support, inside design tools, inside code editors, inside every boring task people thought was safe. And that is what makes it dangerous. Because revolutions don't always arrive loudly. Sometimes they arrive as software updates. Right now, most people still see AI as a tool, but companies see something else. They see leverage. They see fewer employees. They see faster output. They see lower costs. And if that continues, the biggest question will not be, can AI replace humans? The real question will be, which humans will still be needed? And that shift has already started.